This one mistake is why millions of people think ChatGPT isn't smart, when the real problem is the way they're using it. Most people type one short sentence, then expect AI to magically understand everything they mean. Imagine asking a pilot to just fly somewhere. That's exactly how most people talk to ChatGPT. The best prompts answer 3 questions. What's the goal? What's the context? And what kind of result do you want? That one change can turn a confusing AI response into something that feels like it was made just for you. Before you send your next prompt, ask yourself 3 things. What's my goal? What details matter? And what should the final result look like? That simple habit changes everything. And here's the crazy part. ChatGPT has a hidden feature that remembers you between conversations. Almost nobody is using it the right way. That's next.